everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of the Lego green plates from the 1980s to early 1990s. This is set 1086. As you can see, these were the very first Lego green plates that came out. As you can see, I have 6 of these green base plates, and this was the first base plates I had in my collection since I started collecting Lego. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.